Today we are going to learn how to use the words this, that, this and those. What are the words? This, that, these and those. Okay, go to the picture. This is a bus and that is a bus. We use this for something close and that for something far away. Look at the next picture. This is a house and that is a house. This house is near me and that house is far away. Very good. Now your turn. Can you make some sentences? Okay, look at the pictures and make sentences. Okay, very good. This is a tree and that is a tree. Very good. Okay, let's practice more. Now look at the pictures and make sentences. This is a boy. That is a building. Very good. This is a boy and that is a building. We use this for something close and that for something far away. Very good. Now let's learn about these and those. For more than one thing. We use these for things close and those for things far away. Okay? These are flowers and those are flowers. These are flowers and those are flowers. Very good. Go to the next picture. These are books and those are books. These are books and those are books. Okay, now your turn. Look at the pictures and make sentences. Very good. These are cups and those are cups. Very good. Again, these are cups and those are cups. Very good. Let's practice more. Okay, look at the pictures and make sentences. Very good. These are rocks and those are mountains. These are rocks and those are mountains. We use these for things close and those for things far away. Very good. Thank you. Bye bye.